Yeah, because today's the last day of my free this thing, so that's why I feel like let me just record it. So does the same thing. Very, very simple. No need for rushing. Anybody with question, please ask.
Good afternoon, sir.
Mr. Paul, good afternoon, sir. You're welcome, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Did you take the trade yesterday when it came to our golden zone? This one.
I just put more small there.
This one. This place.
I took small, just little,
Uh
0.2. I didn't know that.
0.2 or 0.02.
Oh, sorry, 0.02.
If you use 0.02, you should be able to make 20, 40, $60.
I came out at 40.
40. That's a good one. At least the fact that you're able to spot it when it came to our golden zone and you took it, that's a good one on its own.
Thank
That's
you.
a good
Was
one on its own. So
perfect as usual. I wonder how you do it.
ah, it's not me. It's not only me. Everybody on the chat can do it. They knows how to do it just like that. And that's what they do every week. Every
Anyway,
week now. Every
maybe
week now.
when I join fully, I will also learn it.
That's why I give them opportunity every Saturday to do the outlook now.
Analysis, okay.
Yeah, to do the outlook now because I'm very, very sure of all of them now, except those that just joined that I'm still trying to blend. So
How long
this
will
thing,
it take for one to understand all this?
it depends on how fast you can catch it. You can catch it very fast within, let's say, 2 months, 2 to 3 months, you should
That's
be very okay.
that's fine. That's fine.
So at least if you dedicate to 2 hours every day, you backtest the market, you backtest to 2 hours every day, you'll be able to catch it up. So this thing I'm doing is not new to them. All of them can do it. They do it every week. So it's not new to them at all. It's not a big deal to us. I remember when we started and you say 100 pip is too much. What 100 pip is nothing to us here. Like this sale now, I took this sale in the morning and it's already 100 pips.
Wow.
So we are catching 300, 200. So that's just it. So right
Oh,
now we are
do
waiting
you
for.
trade during London?
No, we don't
London?
trade. We don't trade London. We trade only New York. Why? Because London, the market is always very slow, very, very slow. So except why I traded yesterday is because there is FOMC in the night. So I know that the market is going to be very slow in the night. And where the market was, yeah, this place, that was why I sent the signal yesterday. We don't trade London. The market was here. This is our zone, this psychological level. So the market has been ranging around the psychological level, unable to break it out. So that's why I sent out the signal for sell yesterday. That was why we traded London. And today, why I traded this London is the same thing. FOMC could not break here. It was ranging here, came back to this place, and I just took it very small, not really, just one leg. So, and I'm on break even. So if it come up like this to hit me from break even, I will wait for it here and we write it down. Today we are gonna book like 200 to 300 pips anyway.
Wow.
If the market should come here like this, we take it down straight up.
Then what's the stop loss that you use?
50 pips, 50 pip. But if we are 50
50.
pips, yes, 50 pip. But if we are taking if we are taking
US
some,
that is too volatile for
yes,
50,
yes,
isn't it?
that's what I'm trying to explain. There are some trade like this one now. If we take sell from here, the stop loss should not be more than 50. If you look at it like this, This is if you look at it from here to here, yeah, this is 50. Where is it? Yeah, to here, this is 54. Why? Because this is a very strong zone and a psychological level here. But look at the one we took from here. There are some that we will take, there are some that will take like 100 though. That 100, that is when we put, let's say, one leg, like what we did here. Was it here or here? I think, yeah, it was here, day before yesterday. Like this one now. The one we took one leg here, that I say people should just enter small lots.
Yes.
We know that the market cannot go beyond here. That's what I was saying. Ability, number one, the thing about this Forex, ability to spot where the market cannot go beyond. The key level that you know that it will hold the market 100% is number one. So once you know that, if this market, let it be dancing, if you want to drop, it cannot come beyond this place, then you will know that, yes, even if you enter anything here, you will know that you calculate it, anything you want to enter here. Let's say my lot size is one lot, and I know if I put one lot here, by the time the market gets here, I will have minus $2,000, and I cannot hold it. I cannot hold it. I'll be afraid. What I'll just do here, because I'm not sure, maybe the market wants to go up from here, but we are 100% sure the market was going up. That was then, that the market was going up. So instead of putting my one lot here, I can put 0.1 or 0.2 here. And mind you, I'm risking $2,000 every day. I'm risking $2,000. And if I put my one lot here, by the time the market gets here, my old 2,000 is gone. I will now close it. But instead of doing that, I will reduce my lot size here. If I put 0.2 here I will have $200. By the time it comes here, I will have minus 400. By the time I have minus 400, I still have 1,600 left. So by the time the market gets here, I'll just put 0.5. By the time it's going in my favor, I'll put another one lot. Then by the time 0.5 gets here, I will have 1,000. By the time one lot gets here, we have 2,000. And this one that is already minus 400 will be back to positive. And I'm going up with like, that's 1.5 standard lot. This is 2,000. That is 3,000 already. By the time it gets here, 3,000 plus, that is around 4,500. By the time it gets here, 300 pips. That's 4,500. I can decide to close it here and close everything. So that is how to do trade management.
Yeah, your trade management is top notch.
So that is just it. And I know that, okay, look at it now. I know it was going to drop. It comes here. We're only waiting for it to drop, to come here. I'm already on the set since morning. Fine. If we come back here, we'll know that, yes, we are trading it. Our maximum lot size here. There is no point of us. If we take a sell from here and the market break out of here, there is no point holding the market again. Just close it. You are wrong. There's something about Forex. If you are wrong, you are wrong. Don't try to say, no, it will come back. By the time you start thinking that, no, it should come here, then you are doing something wrong. That is when you are ready. You should be ready to lose your trade by then. Do you understand, sir?
Yeah, that's what has scared me.
Yes, you should be ready to lose your money by then. When it comes here, you know that there is a zone here. We have circumflexes. There is a zone here. There is psychological level here. There is candlestick pattern here. And now there is a momentum that now break out of here. Fine, it might be a fake out. It break out, another candle now open after the breakout. The candle open above this place again and it start going up. What are you waiting for again? Just close it. You are wrong. Just close your system for that day. Don't even trade, because if you trade again, you'll be revenging trading. You'll be doing revenge trading and you will lose more. So better you close it and stay out of the market for that day. You know that the market is just like this one that is dropping now. If it can drop for 120 pips more, we will be going crazily on the market for buy. If this market can drop here to this point, we'll be going on buy. Now, if we go on buy now, our stop loss is going to be what? Our stop loss is going to be 65. Now, if the market now break out from here, break out from here. The next thing is for us to leave it. No need to say, you leave it.
Allow
We
it to
just
run.
wait. Yes, we just wait for it. It can give us a fake out and come back. By the time it come back and enter back to this zone, that is when we now take our buy. So that's just it. So I mean, how many pips profit now? Let me check.
And also being able to hold it when it's going.
Yes, that
or
is
when it's already in
that is
profit.
why I
I
talk
don't like
about.
losing my profit.
That is why I talk about this thing. Able to your lot size. That is when lot size comes in. Yeah, keep dropping, keep dropping. So that's just it. My trade is 140 pips now. My sell. I'm on 140 pips now.
40. Wow.
Yeah, 140 from here. I took this from here.
Wow.
So I'm expecting it either to drop down here. Let's see what CNBC is even saying. So every other person, are you following, please? Can everybody hear me, please? I know it's not new to us, right? So, oh, wow.
Microsoft is green today.
No, that's not the only thing we check. There are so many things we check. It is +3. Apple is +1. But presently, the market is on sale. The market, this CNBC now is bearish presently. It is bearish presently. So that's why you see this drop now. It will drop. Fine, the market is going to buy you based on this CNBC. Please, can everybody hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, based on this CNBC now, based on this thing, this data we are seeing, the market is going to buy. But overall, it is bearish now. So we now need to wait for the market to calm down. If the market should get here now, I'll close my trade and I'll be waiting. So you can see the momentum is very strong. The momentum is very, very strong now. So the momentum is very strong. So we need to just wait for it. The reaction here is what will give us the clue to go. So that's just it. So is there any, so sir, Mr. Paul, since you at least you joined us for 3 days now, so what are the things you've gained? What are the things you've gained at least? I think I'm recording this class, yes. Can you hear me, sir?
A lot, like I've said before, is like almost everything, like patience, how you pick your zones, the entry zones, then how you wait patiently for it to come to your zone, and how you manage the trade after entry, and also the risk management aspect of things.
That was good. That's a good one. Everybody prepare your bullets. Everybody prepare your bullets. Prepare your bullet. Let's remove this one. So as not to confuse. Let's shift this one here. Can everybody hear me? Are you ready?
Yes, you can hear you.
I hear you.
Okay, perfect. So in the next, yeah, let's just wait for it to drop down here. Yeah, to drop down here. So we are taking the buy first then. I'm still on my sell since morning. I didn't close. So this is going to be our TP1. That is about 200 pips. 200 pips, TP1. Okay, let me say golden zone.
Same place it has.
What?
But I think from the same place, it's 44.3.
Yes, 300. Please, nobody should over trade. Don't over trade. If the market should react there, fine. We enter our first leg. If he's going, we put in our second leg. Then if you are smart, then you can enter third or fourth, and depending on how you can manage your trade. But we are waiting for that reaction around that zone. I'm waiting for the reaction there. So let me see what CNBC is saying now. I think there's a noise coming from somewhere. I think I need to mute somebody. Mr. Tony, what's going on? It's from your end. Yeah, looking at this now. Wow, the bearish is so strong from overall, but it's still gonna buy based on this, based on that data. Mr. Tony, I mute your mic. Why do you unmute again? I'm hearing some noise from your end. Yeah, we are good now. So now, overall, CNBC is a very strong bearish, but this zone, so this is where we are waiting for it. So we are not going to jump into that place. Ticket 200 pips. That's our TP1. Then this is going to be our TP2 overall, 300 pips.
Overall, 300. Overall, 300.
Who's that, man? Mr. Coyote. I think I should mute everybody. Yeah. So that's it. So here we have it. I just want, this thing, you just come down small more. Don't go back from there, please. Don't go back now. Just come down small. How many pips more? I don't want us to enter from there because this is about 60 pips more. I don't want us to enter from there because based on the overall momentum, maybe it's going to break here. We don't know. So let's just come down here. Then our stop loss will be minimal. Massive, 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 massive. I think I should close from my, this thing. Let me close from my trade. I'm closing my 3 account now. Yeah. I've closed all my sell position. I should have said we should put in 1 leg, but if I say we should put in 1 leg now, some people might not be able to manage this thing. If they hear 1 leg, they can enter with a big lot, but I don't want it. So let's just wait for it to come here. I just closed my sell now. This thing should not go back from here. Go premium. Voila. Just drop small more, small. Please drop more, drop more, drop more. The market will go up. It will buy. It will buy. Now, let us look at this left. This thing that happened here, you might experience it going up, come down, going up, come down. Do we get it? So the noise that we have here, you might also have it here on this psychological level, like this, like this, like this. Then eventually it should come here. It is from here we're going to buy it up. It is from here we're going to buy it up. So that's it.
Okay,
Yeah.
it's on the left side. Okay.
Sir?
You said the noise on the left-hand side.
Yes, sir. It's very
Okay.
important. It's very important. It's coming down now. I will show us how we are going to enter. Don't jump in. No, we are not going to jump in because overall CNBC is still very strong bearish. So we are not going to jump in. So let's just wait. I can see 287, 284, right? Can everybody hear me? I'm seeing 284 at my end.
What is 284 say?
You should know what I mean now.
Wait,
Can everybody hear
267
me?
here, 267.
Okay, correct. So that's the
That is
reaction there.
267.5.
Perfect. I don't want to
267.5.
be saying everything about CNBC. I told everybody before, except you are in the private class.
267.5.
Okay, correct. Except you are in a private class. So that's the reaction we are seeing there. So let's wait for the next candle in the next 1 minute. So overall, Missing J, you understand now?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. So yeah, 274. It's a very strong bearish, but that zone is going to teach the fundamental that yes, I want to hold. I can see Apple has to drop, Microsoft has dropped. Okay. So let's just be patient so as not to enter the traffic. Yeah, 270. Drop more, please. Drop just one drop. Drop one. Just one. Let me see if we enter from here. Can we manage it? If we enter from here, can we manage it? 115. 115. Oh, please, let's do something. Let's put wait. Just wait. I want you to tap in on this place. Yes. Drop. I want you to tap in. I'm trying to check what the CNBC is saying. Okay.
275.
Yeah, 267 here. Okay. Missing J, if I say we should enter from here, don't put 0.5, please. Just put 0.2. Or if you come here, you can put 0.5. If you drop down here, we can put 0.5. But from here, don't put it. So because I'm trying
Okay, sir.
to read it. I'm trying to read what CNBC is saying now on my other system. I don't want to be refreshing it on here. So yeah, 276 there. Apple has dropped. Wow. You can see now. Before Microsoft was +3. Apple was plus 1 point something. You can see it's dropping. So don't let us jump into buy, please. Don't let us jump into buy. Don't jump into buy at all. Based on what we just read here, don't jump into the buy. Let's wait for it. It's already on our zone. So let's wait for the next candle. The next candle is going to be 1 hour candle. Fine. From here, we might have a tap, 100 pips, 200. So today's trade is going to be a risky one. Like, let me just say 65%. 65%. So we manage the lot size. Let's wait for the next candle. The next candle will tap us in. So I will tell us if we enter or not. Let me go straight to my account now. Let me get it. Let me get it ready. Don't jump in, please. Based on this CNBC, it is very bearish, what I'm saying. So let's see, maybe that momentum can break that zone or not. Let's see, maybe the momentum can break that zone or not. Overall, the market is bearish on CNBC. That is my alert. I always set alert on my system. Assuming it's not this class now, this is the time I'll be coming to my system.
Okay.
Assuming we are not on Zoom now, I'll just come now and I'll come and check my system. What's going on? So the sell I took in the morning, that's where I put the alert to take profit. So my trade was supposed to take profit right now. Then I'll come to the system and check and see, yes, what is happening. So then I will now set for another one. So now another candle will come up now. Don't jump in, please. The CNBC is very, very, very strong. So it's very, very strong. Overall, it is very, very strong. You can see now. So that's it. Don't jump into the buy at all. CNBC, that's why CNBC is the father of this thing. So CNBC should give us the lead. If you look at what has been happening for 3 days, you see tap here, go up, tap here, go up. But now, imagine we have three now, right? We might be selling anyway. We might be selling. Now we are over 300. We might be selling. Why did I close my sale? Everybody, can everybody hear me?
Yes.
We can hear you,
Yeah.
sir.
We're going to be selling this market. Enter sell, enter sell, enter sell, enter sell. Enter sell, please. Yeah, correct. We should be in how many pips now? I call the trade from here. Are we on the trade?
Ended very late.
Don't worry, there's nothing like very late. You're still there. So that buy is invalid. So let's take it out. Can everybody see the way I analyze and we change our bias immediately now? We are in massive profit, right? Hello?
Yes,
Confirm,
yes.
confirm.
That's what
Everybody,
I
how is it going? How is it going? How is it going? Mr. Paul.
I entered just 0.2.
No problem. What's your profit now? Let's say this one should be 44, 200.
What is it?
Yeah, it's already 100 pips now. It's already 100 pips from here.
Yes,
It's already 100 pips now.
The problem is we didn't get out.
How?
So
It's on time.
I mean, we didn't take the profit, so we are still in.
Yes, of course we are in. I'm also in. Are you
We are
taking
on the
profit?
minus
Don't take
now.
any profit. The market will give us a massive drop. Now we are 416. It's going to break all this zone, break it down. So once we hit 200 pips here, we'll close it here. Yes, I'm also there. I'm also there. Let me see. Here's my trade. Why did I close myself from this place, from that up? Somebody is closing or entering. I can hear PIM.
I am modifying.
Okay, don't
Putting
panic.
my
Don't,
TP in.
nobody should panic at all.
It's only minus $50. Say I'm rich, you know.
Nobody should.
$50.
Nobody should panic. The next candle will take us out and we take
I'm
it
even
here.
thinking of
200.
entering another leg
Don't
from
enter
there.
another one, please. Don't enter another one. If you enter another one, it's over trading because you should be thinking otherwise that what if you should open and take us and go back here? Alas, that's it. Fine. Overall, the CNBC is very strong bearish, very, very strong bearish to take us down here. So that's it. So can you see the way I switch the bias from buy to sell immediately based on the CNBC? So that's just it. Nobody is answering now.
Yes, we can see.
Yes.
So that's just it. So once we book the 200, let me set my TP here.
It's like that slow down.
It's not gonna slow. Yeah. The CNBC is slowing down. Let's just chill. Where is this?
It's volatile today. That's how US30 used to move. I don't know what did become of US30.
It's only on Friday that does that. Thursday is okay.
Even yesterday, it took long. It took a while.
So for retesting hour, we are going to buy retesting hour, but now let's sell it down to our take profit. So we'll now wait for what retesting hour tell us. If the market come back here during retesting hour, we are taking our buy will still be valid. So that's it. So calm down, yalla, my baby, calm down.
It's going up again.
Drop down here and give us take profit, please. Take profit only.
240.
Take profit only. That's what I want to say today. That candle should melt down. Yalla. Melt and drop. Behave like others. What's that? Binky. So let me set alert to take profit level. Yeah, I just put alert there. So that is it. So we're waiting. We are waiting. So we can see now, just imagine if somebody jumped into buy from here. Look at what the drawdown will be now. From here down to here. That would be 180 pips drawdown. Nobody can hold it. So that's just how to read the market condition and how to balance it with CNBC. Now we are taking this trade based on what CNBC is saying. So any question from anybody, because if you guys don't ask me question, I will ask question, I'll call anybody to answer. Because based on what the magic that just happened now, I expect us to have some questions at least based on that magic. Because I see it as magic.
Because you have explained it, that you You were going with CNBC.
Everybody knows CNBC is the father of this thing. But for us to quickly switch from the buy we're expecting to sell immediately, I expect people to ask me some question on that. Or is it because it's a okay?
You switch because
are you guys preparing the class for Saturday? I mean the question for Saturday because we are on a general.
I think there was a flip at the zone.
No, it's for
Flip at the zone plus CNBC.
It was just all because of CNBC.
Everybody are in profit, right? Everybody are in profit, right? Hello, everybody. Can you hear me? Don't close anything until it eats your take profit. Everybody are on profit, right? I'm recording this class. Is everybody on profit? Yes or no? Correct.
Yes. Yes, on profit.
You can hear the alert. You can hear the alert. Can everybody hear the alert? Hello?
No.
That is take profit alert.
No.
You can't hear the sound on my system.
It's not there yet, sir.
Yes, it's not there. Just wait. Don't close it. Don't close. It's going to go way more than 200p. But for this class, I don't want to stay too long here. So once it hits that 200, we are getting out. There's another zone where the market is. So I don't want to. There's another zone where the market is here. So how many pips? What's your profit, Missing J, and what's your lot size?
Well, my lot size is 0.5. I'm in like 140, 150, 140. Okay. I want to see how many pips because I ended late.
Oh, you entered late. Okay.
Maybe
so
30 something pips.
Why about Mr. John? Why about others, please? Others that are trading too. Mr. Abiodun, Mr. Onigbogi, Mr. Pablo, how about all of you? Or is everybody just here looking?
33.
$33.
Yes.
Okay. So what about others, please? Mr. Onigbogi, are you trading?
Yes, but
you should be able to talk now.
I'm just having like 30 something pips now.
So, let us talk now. Let us talk. So based on what I'm seeing, the market will be so massive. But yeah, this place we are, you can see that we have how many rejection candle now? 1, 2, 3. So on this candle, we might close it. We might close it on that candle. So let us close and call it a day. So that is how to switch. Because the market can do something now. It can go like this and drop again. And
how many pips are we booking, sir?
It can decide. Okay. I don't know about that based on what you enter. Okay. But where I call the trade, this is where I call it on this candle. So from here to here, that's 122. So I'm out of the market already from my end.
I will be out in a minute.
It's your choice. If that candle should go up, then, although based on this, the market should be massive and continue going down.
I think massively. It's going to drop 1 more minute before it goes up again.
It should drop massively based on CNBC. We are on 450 something now. So based on that data, it should drop, but me, I'm out. So anybody that is still holding,
I would rather put in break even than getting out.
Okay. So this is going to be the end for today. So is there any question from anybody before we call it a day? This is the last day of our free trading. Mr. John, you are the only stranger here, sir. Hello, can you hear me, sir? All right, everybody. So I will have to stop with them. Okay. Wait, before I end the meeting. Mr. Onigbogi, can you hear me, sir?
Yes, sir.
Why did I switch from buy to sell? We're supposed to take a buy from here, go up. So why did I change my mind and switch to sell? To those that
Mainly
didn't, to those that
because of
didn't
our
close, you can
confluence.
see what is going on now. Okay, I'm listening. You say?
Mainly because of the CNBC, because it's becoming so bearish and increasing repeatedly. And when it gets
Okay.
to our zone where we want to take buy, we say we should not rush.
Okay.
Immediately it gets to that, it broke down, and the
Okay.
momentum was increasing.
Now,
So
what
that
did
tells
you?
us that this is
Okay, I don't want you to talk much about CNBC like that. You understand, sir? Because this is
okay,
a
sir.
general free class. So now,
Okay,
when
sir.
the market got to that zone, when the market got to that zone, if you were to be
Yes.
on your own before, what will you do before?
Yes, sir.
And now that you experience this, what will you do?
Before I may just enter,
You will enter buy,
and
right?
I'll be in serious. Yes, and I'll be in serious drawdown now.
Okay.
But based on what you have been saying, it's better to wait first and let another candle,
So what
even
is,
when it gets there.
okay, perfect. Thank you. Let me call another person. Let me call another person for this now. Oh, Mr. Tony, please unmute yourself. Mr. Tony, can you hear me?
I can hear you, sir.
Yeah, so what do you gain from today, from what we just did today? We're looking at buying, but something happened around here, and then we change our bias immediately. We sold it, and we book our profit.
Yeah. Number one, that as a trader, we have to
Oh,
be
sorry,
flexible.
Mr. Tony, I'm sorry. I hope nobody is still holding this session. Or is there
No.
somebody that is still correct? Okay, continue, Mr. Tony.
As a trader, you just have to be flexible. We only react to what market is saying. We don't predict the market.
Perfect.
Right? We are looking at buy initially. And due to what market is telling us on the CNBC, as we are watching the fundamental, we are looking at the chart as well. It now broke the strong zone that has been holding since on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and today is Thursday. Immediately it broke that strong zone. We should be expecting that it will go into another zone.
Perfect. Don't talk much about this stuff. Thank you. I don't want you to go into much details. Mr. Akim, did you take any trade? Please unmute yourself, sir.
Hello, sir. Yes, I joined the trade with a leg, though it was a bit late because I was in the restroom, but I joined. However, just like others have explained, we were watching the momentum and at the rate it was coming. You have already hinted us that was looking at the momentum, it could likely break that zone. So
okay.
Once it broke it, then we know. And we don't have to be fixated on our bias. There should be some flexibility. So, okay. but the main thing I've gained today is to reaffirm that CNBC is still the guardian of every move in US 30.
Perfect. Mr. Pablo, what did you gain from today's market? Is it here? Mr. Tony. Mr. Tony.
Yes, sir.
Based on what you see here now, what pattern is this that is forming now? This one.
This one is forming a reversal pattern. That is a shooting star.
Is that a morning star or evening star? What you're seeing here now?
That is a morning star.
Morning star.
Yes, sir.
Everybody, do you support that?
Maybe when the candle closes to be morning star, if it closes bullish.
Correct. So now, based on this information, you said what? Who is that, please? Now, based on this information we have now, and now CNBC is becoming balancing again. If this market now, if this market now should go back like this, break back into this zone, come back here, we'll take it back up. This can happen during retesting hour. Do we get it? But wait for this candle.
When is the retesting hour?
Yeah, maybe in the next 30 minutes or 1 hour. Now, wait for this candle to break back inside this zone. If this candle should break back inside this zone, then a retracement here, take it back up for 300 pips. That is just it. It's as simple as ABC. Do we get it?
Yes.
So that is just how to react to market.
Yes, sir, we did get it.
That is just how to react to market condition. That is how to react to market condition and how to balance our trade. No stress, no nothing. Nothing to stress. You just watch it. You refresh it. Study CNBC. Study the chart and react to it. So that is just it. If this market should break back inside this zone now, just give us a retracement. We take it back for 300 pips. And you should come back here. Me, I'm not trading tomorrow, Friday, and give us like this. Take it down again. I'm not trading tomorrow, Friday. So today might be the end of my trading till Monday. But watch out for that candle. So if we are still going to buy, if we are still going to enter a buy, then I'll post it on Telegram and on our group to carry everybody along. So I hope everybody were able to gain 1 or 2 today, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, a lot.
Perfect.
Yes.
Perfect. So this is where we got, man. It's doing me like we should continue the free trading because I'm enjoying but no.
No, not the free trading, but we should continue this in our group every day.
Of course, we do it before. So just as the way we do it, the signal provider will continue that. That will be from Monday. So they will continue that. And tomorrow, if I see the market condition tomorrow, we might trade tomorrow, Friday. If I see the market condition tomorrow, then I'll tell the signal provider to host the meeting tomorrow. I will also be there live. Do we get it? So
yes.
I will try to dedicate 2 days now to be joining with this for our group. At least twice a week. Before I do it every Tuesday, but now I'll make it twice.
Or 3 times maybe.
3 times in Sinji. So that's just it. And I'm so happy that
my account was in minus. I was minus 2%. Now I'm like up 2%. So in these days, I gained 4% of my account.
Wow. That's $4,000, right?
I mean, yeah, it was minus 2. Now it's like 102.
Yes, that is to say you
make 4%. You make 4,000 in 3 days. Yeah.
Yes, you make $4,000, right?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Only in how many days? Well, Tuesday, Wednesday, and today.
And today.
No, today
days.
I didn't get much. Only the 2 days.
Perfect. So that's just it. So proprietary firm can be passed in a week in just 4 to 5 days.
She's not afraid to use big lots.
And she's trading 100K
don't
account.
Be afraid.
She's trading 100K account. In fact, that lot size she's using is very minimal. 0.5.
100K, okay.
Yes,
I only use
0.4,
0.5s. Maximum is 2 lot that I'm using.
So just the way, because I explained about lot size the first day we started.
Yes.
For each account, the lot size you should use. So, Mr. Paul, I want you to pass that your account. How much is the account now?
9912.
9912. 9912. How much are you looking? How much profit are you expected to make?
10%.
Because that's 1,005, Fabi.
Yes.
Because what I see in your trading, you know about trading, you have some knowledge about it. But what I see just in these 3 days that you joined us, what I see in your trading is
lack of trade management.
Signal. No. Yes, you are right, Miss Sinji. Then another thing is even signal. See, there's something I had in mind that I was gonna share with everybody. You see, I might throw out a signal. Do you understand? I might throw out a signal that people should sell or buy. I can make money. Some people can make money. Some others can lose money from that signal.
That's what I'm saying
that's why I
something,
said
because
you
I
are
was
right.
like
Yes.
him.
Yeah, I
Yes.
I
happen to
never
know.
made money because of trade
Yes,
management.
that is why I
Yeah.
said you
I
are
was
right,
just
Miss
like
Ingrid.
him.
Yes, that's why I said you are right. Trade
It happened to
management.
me.
So what I see from his trade, what I see from his this thing now is him and Mr. Onigbogi, they are almost at the same level. Mr. Onigbogi is a bit ahead, just a bit. Based on this, because even if you see a signal, number one, you are still scared of taking the trade, except maybe you are within a community, like, okay, let's buy from here. These are our stop loss. Let's close it. Let's this, let's that. That's what I see in your trade. Even if somebody give you because what I was thinking before is, because of you, I'll just give out free signal on that Telegram for like 1 week so that you can pass your account. But from my discovery, even if I give a free signal, you might not. Just look at what happened today now. Look at the way we quickly switch our bias. Look at how we quickly switch our bias. Just imagine if I post that free signal on Telegram, some people will jump into buy. Meanwhile, we have already switched.
Yes, it's true.
Meanwhile, we have already switched. And some will be like, oh, no, we are waiting for buy. And some will have jumped into the buy.
That one was sudden.
Yeah. So, and we reacted based on what we see on CNBC. That's why we reacted. So, and the CNBC now is still very strong. This market now supposed to have gone up, but the momentum that will take it up is not even available. Don't be surprised. This thing can continue to drop for the next 400 pips now. That's the truth. Yes, it can continue. Based on the data I'm seeing on CNBC now, this thing can continue dropping now. Can continue. If it drop now and break this zone, I will just look for another thing to do. That's it. So, but so that's just it. So what I see, I will just see maybe if my spirit say yes, I should just add you to our live trade. Maybe when the mentees want to trade next week, I might just add you or just give you signal so that you can pass the account, because I really want you to pass that account.
I'll be happy, sir.
So
Thank you very much.
I don't know if my spirit should lead me that I should just do it. So because this one I did now for 3 or 4 days now, my spirit just lead me that let's just do this thing for free. So that's it.
Thank you very much.
It's not all about mentorship or the money for mentorship. There is more to life than the money for the mentorship. So I'm making my own money here. So why should I be particular about that one? So
thank you very much.
That's just it. Anyways, so is there any question from anybody, please?
No.
All right, everybody.
No,
Suggest.
What I will have asked is that why did you close the sale? Why did you?
I closed the sale because number one, we are not in where the market is now. Let me show you something.
If I'm alone, maybe I will have just put a stop profit.
Sir,
Break
look
even.
at my screen now. What can you see?
Okay. Sir.
This is it, right? What can you see here?
I can see that place is a
look
strong,
to your left.
It's a strong zone.
Look to your left.
Okay.
Look to your left. Can you see it? I don't want to talk much on it. I don't want to talk much on it.
The rejections there. So it's most
and
likely
this place
that
too.
it will not.
If that place should break, if this place should break, it's coming here. That's another word. Now we have 430. If that place should break, it's coming here. That's 270 pips more. Now, overall, 1, 2.
It's bare.
I want to see something. Now that we had a breakout there, Now that we had a breakout there, let's check something out. Wow. 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 The market is making some sense. Yeah. So if you look at it now, that's 4 hours. Look at moving forward to 1 hour now. Moving forward to 1 hour now. This is the zone that the market has been battling with before. And if you look at it, the market broke out from here. This is our TP, which is our next destination. Going to 15 minutes. Going to 5 minutes that we use. If you look at the 5 minutes, sir, I will tell you why I close it, why I say we should close. Number one, we are on a live trade. We are on a live trade. Number two, look at this, this drop. This is what? Number one, rejection, right?
Yes.
This is what? Number two, rejection, right?
Rejection.
This is what? Number three, rejection, right? And we close it on this candle.
Yeah.
What does your trading plan tells you for closing? Let me read out my own trading plan. Trading plan, I think, let me check on this system. I will show us.
Multiple rejections, red flag.
Is what?
Multiple weak rejection is red flag.
Perfect. Mr. Onigbogi, did you hear that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So as we are trading, we are following what? Trading plan. That is why your trading plan is very, 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 very important to you.
Okay, sir.
That is why your trading plan, let me see. I want to open my trading plan and read something out. I want to open my trading plan and read something out. Based on CNBC data now, might continue to drop, but lane save is, I want to show us.
Better to play safe.
I want to show us something on my trading plan. Mr. Akim has already read it, but I just want to show us. So I work with my trading plan. I work with my trading journal.
Yes, sir.
Can everybody see my trading plan here? Can we see it?
Yes, we can see it.
Yes.
Risk management, daily loss limit, at break even, exit strategy. What did it say? My exit strategy. When I see what? Rejection candle, I will exit the market and close for the day and look for another opportunity if I haven't meet with my daily target.
Okay.
Do you get it now? Does that answer your question?
Perfect, sir. Perfect.
So that is it. So that is just it. So it's as simple as ABC.
New York.
So I think I'm releasing too much information. So I think we should call it a day, right?
I want a refund, say. Everything is out now.
What?
I want a refund.
No. Okay, refund for your mentorship. Don't worry,
yes,
Miss
VIP mentorship.
You know you are my private student. There are still some info. Fine, see. One thing about this thing, me, I don't. It's just that
I couldn't even catch anything there. It does not make any meaning to me anyway.
If I have my way, I will not even do the mentorship. But there's a reason why I'm doing it. Because look at this live trading now. We might be trading, right? Or maybe when we are doing our class on Saturday, there's some information we just released.
It's a class on Saturday now.
Yes, I changed it from Sunday. We are starting Saturday again. So, because there's some information I might just release, and I might not even plan it before. Like this Saturday now, there's something I'm planning to teach. And there's some information I really want to pass across to everybody. Do we understand?
Yes.
On Saturday, there's something I need to pass. You understand? And seeing the way I trade now, seeing the way I trade live now, that is the difference between the mentorship and people that are just, and the stuff I'm releasing outside. You understand? So the difference is still there. Fine, I might be, it's just like, okay, now if they are trading privately, they will not on YouTube, they might not know, okay, why did we switch? Fine, this video, I'm recording it. I will even upload it on YouTube for everybody to watch and learn one or two. But that doesn't mean that, yes, the information I've released it. No, there are still some things. You understand? If you don't understand that CNBC perfectly, you cannot know why we switch, which I'm pretty sure every one of you understand, all the mentees, right? Hello, am I still on?
Yes, we can hear you.
So which I'm pretty sure that all of you understand why we quickly switch. That was why I had to call about 3 among you to explain why, which I said don't go into much detail. So that's just it. So that's just it. And then so Mr. Paul, so what do you have to say?
Yes.
We're gonna call it a day right now. We're ending
Yeah,
it
I
now.
just want to thank you for the opportunity, for the help. I really appreciate it. Like I said, I've gained a lot in terms of being patient, then marking out the relevance zones and risk management and trade management. So it's
Perfect.
helped my psychology a bit, far more than where I was coming from. So I really appreciate it. And for doing it free of charge is really appreciated. Thank you. God bless you, son.
Amen, sir. No problem. Maybe next week, maybe one day, maybe on Tuesday, I might add you to join us. So that's it. So everybody, can you hear me?
Thank you very much, sir.
Everybody, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
All right. So signal provider for next week. We're gonna do live trading from Monday to Thursday. I'll be there live, and I'll share my screen. I will handle the class. It will be backed up by signal provider. You understand? So this week I did it for free. Next week I'm gonna do it for all the mentees. I'll do it live also. For those that are still on proprietary firm, so that you can get funded and receive your certificate next week. Is that clear?
Thank you.
Yeah, so encouraging, sir.
So
Thank you very much, sir.
So I'll make myself available for all of you tomorrow, all the mentees. I mean next week, to make sure we trade live together. I want everybody to get funded next week. Somebody bought 50K account today. I don't know if he was able to buy it. Mr. Pablo, were you able to get your 50K account today? Mr. Pablo, are you there? Mr. Pablo. I don't know. Maybe he's at work or something. Okay. Yeah. Perfect. All right. So I think we should call it a day now. Mr. Onigbogi, can you see what is happening around here now? That nothing is really happening.
It's like it's
Can you
going.
see it? So that's just it.
Down.
Just going up, down, because it's in between the range, in between the
it's
zone.
nearly retracing our that it will pick up now.
It's nearly retracing our. Yeah, this is 450. I can see 450. So if you break down here, fine, we'll look for retracement and take it down.
I'm in one leg, say, with 0.3.
Missing J. Missing J. Yeah. Missing J.
I always listen when my mentor is saying, when he's doing this, I always listen to the description and say, this market, when he says going down, it's going to go down. And CNBC, when CNBC is on my side, me, I'm not scared.
Mrs. J. That's right. That woman, eh? You can see now the market just want to hit our take profit level now. So
the CNBC is plus 400. It cannot jump from there to go to green. Yeah, minus 400.
That's why I said we might still have a massive drop. If these things should drop here now,
it can never jump there to go to green in a minute. So it will drop a bit before it goes up again.
Correct. For today, it is totally bearish. Total bearish. So we might have something up to this level. Up to this level. Up to here. That's 300. Wow, this is a long one. Oh. Let's see. This is 4,400. You can see that's our take profit level. Can everybody hear that? Is my alert? Can everybody hear my alert?
Okay.
That's
Yes.
our take profit. That's supposed to be our take profit level.
Profit
I
level.
made mine 43,900.
What?
I made my TP 43,900.
Okay, here.
Because you see the other zone, your strong zone beyond that. I think it's going to tap in there.
Yeah. What do we have now? Wow, so massive. I can see multiple rejection here. So anybody that want to take risk, you can take risk. Anybody that feel like taking risk, the market, the good thing is, but just wait. If you know you want to take risk, if you know you want to take risk, wait
if you
for
are
it to
extra
break
careful, you can wait for the retracing hour and see where it
You
goes.
can yes,
wait for the retracing hour if you are not confident, and then you can see where it goes.
Everybody
It
can
might
see
drop
now.
down, it might turn around.
Everybody can see now that the market eventually do what? Eat our this thing level, which is the 200 pips we do. So now, if this thing should break down here, nothing will take it up again. It's coming down here. That's for another 200 pips. It's coming down here, 43,900.
Wow.
100%. 100%. So that's just it. And based on what I'm seeing on my screen, on 5 minutes, let me use another place. Who is that place? Yeah, let me use another thing. Yeah, if you look at it now, this one, you can see multiple rejection here. Multiple rejection. That is, the buyers want to take it up. The seller said no. This thing is dropping. Nothing can hold it. It's coming here.
Wow.
That's it.
That's when you were explaining those rejections.
Yeah,
that's when I jumped in because I saw that.
Correct. So if anybody wants to take a risk, you're free, but be very careful. Even me, if I end this thing now, I'm going to take some risk. Oh my God, I can see it.
I'm in profit of 200 now.
Up, coach.
All right, everyone. I hope you learned one or two.
I've learned a lot.
I need to
I've
go
learned
back.
a lot with this time you spent with us.
Confirm.
Yeah,
I'm in also. I'm already in also. I'm already in. So I'm going to hold it.
That you are gaining when you trade together, there is confidence. I don't know which is coming from where, but you just make it.
Of course. All right, everybody. So another 200 pips. All right, everyone. So bye for now. Peace out, everyone. Bye. Yeah.
Mr. Tony, jump in.